In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add a call to action to a blog post in Wix. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix dashboard, which is what I am right now. Then on the left hand side, you will see this side menu right here. From the side menu, I want you to hover over blog right here, and then I want you to click on posts, and that's going to take you to all the blog posts that you have on your Wix website. From here, I want you to find the blog post that you want to add the call to action to. In my case, I only have one right here, so I'm going to highlight it and then go to edit, just like this, and then that's going to open up the blog post editor. Now from here, what you need to do is head over to the left hand side again, and then you'll see this add button right here. Click on that, and then from here you have a few different options to choose from depending on what you want the call to action to be. Now if you are promoting a specific product, you want to take people to buy the product, go all the way down until you see, let me just move myself out of the way, you can see from your site you have product right here, you also have event. So if it's a product, click on this right here and then select the product that you want to add, and then click on embed. Let me just do that very quickly, just like this, and then your people, or the viewers of the website or the blog post, they can then buy the product right here. Now if you want the call to action to be just a button, for example, that takes people to a separate page or a different blog post or whatever it might be, simply head over to add again, and then instead of clicking all the way down here where it's for the product, I want you to find the button, which is right on the elements right here. Click on button, and then it will be added to here. I'm going to align it to left, just like this, and then I'm going to click on this settings wheel right here where I can change the text. So for example, buy now, and then this is going to link to, let's say, a landing page somewhere that people can go to, and then they can buy the product, service, or whatever it might be that I'm promoting. In my case, I'm not going to add a link here, or maybe I can just do google.com, just like that. And then if you want the link to open up in a new tab, simply check this box. If you don't, simply uncheck it, and then no follow. This is for SEO purposes. It's up to you. Then once you're happy with everything, click on save right here. And as you can see, your two different types of call to action have been added. Of course, you can also do the same for an image. You can have a file here as a call to action, a poll, or whatever it might be. Play around with these settings and choose the one that best suits your needs. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you've done that, make sure to click on publish right here to save your blog post. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a call to action to a blog post in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.